Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the first line I have spatial audio, you may have it at the bottom. Now, not all Android phones have this feature, so maybe you will have it. And also you cannot find this settings at least at, this feature at least at the settings on your Apple device. Now, to enable it you need to tap one time the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it you need to also tap one time at this slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.